Because in Sanskrit word, that means you should be deep attachment towards Lord. If you not deep attachment with Lord, then you have no, then servicial mode will come. This is true. In this material world, really, if you have attachment to someone, and automatically your servicial mode will come. Bhakti means that is called service. What is called seva, to serve. Bhajyate sebbate iti bhakti. Bhajdhatu, the Bible root, bhaj means to serve. Understand? So, sa paranu rukti risate. A deep attachment was this a deep attachment with Lord. Is Lord. So if you deep attachment with Lord, then automatically your servicial mood will come. So sing sa paranurukti risare iti bhakti. Bhakti, another definition. What do you know? Sarvapadhi vinirmuktam tatpartana nirmalam hiske no hisike sasyavanam bhakti rauchyate. Sarvapadhi vinirmuktam tatpartana nirmalam. One who free from all kinds of designation. Upadhi. Yes? All kinds of material designation. Then his heart will be neat and clean as like crystal. So sarvadhi vinmuktam tatparta nirvan hisike no hisike sasevanam bhakti ruchyate. He serves to Hisike Krishna with his pure transcendental body, mind and speech. That is called also bhakti. So sarvadhi vinmuktam tatparta nirmanam hisike no hisike sasevanam bhakti ruchyate. So that means in this verse very clearly explained, sadhak first how will be free from all kinds of anarthas, unwanted things. If the anarthas in our heart, we cannot serve to Krishna. So saying sarvadi vinirmuktam tatparta nirvanam hisikeso sevanam bhakti uchyate. First sadhak should be free from his bodily conception. Because conditional soul, Baddha Jiva, their nature, deep attached with his body. The Sanskrit word that is called Dehatma Buddhi. Jada Sarir, Dehatma Buddhi. Give up the deep attachment with your body. Because bodily conception is the cause of all kinds of distress and unhappiness. These are true. I am this body. I am man. I am a woman. So these types of identification, false identifications. I am not Brahman. I am not Kshatriya. I am not Sudra. No Vaishya. Understand? I am not belongs to any caste and race. This body is conception. So who am I? Who are you? We are the eternally servant of Krishna. Then Krishna Nitya Das. Jive Sarup hoy Krishna Nitya Das. All the living entities, the eternally servant of Krishna. Krishna Das. But we have now come in this body, we can't completely forget our Sarup. Eh? Look there. Krishna boli say ji anadi bahirmukh ateva mata hriday sangsara adi dukh. We are suffering three folds of Maya. Why? Eh? We forgot Krishna. This is our main offense, aparadh. We have to serve to Krishna. But we did not serve to Krishna. We did not turn our face to Krishna. We turn our face towards Maya. So for this regard, we are now in this material world and suffering three folds of Maya. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. This is our fault. We have only one fault. We are saying many faults. Kali Dusha in the Rajana. In this Kali Yuga, conditions so many faults. But here we have how many faults? One fault. What is your one fault? Krishna Boli says, Jeev Anadi Bahirmukh. We forget to Krishna and unlimited time, deep attachment with this body. So for this regard, we are listening many Harikatha. We are associated with many sadhus. Every day we are taking also Mahaprasad. Mahaprasadi Govinde Nama Brahmani Vaishnavi Salpa Punna Vatang Rajan Vissasana Eva Jayat. So now coming in this way, just we are taking Mahaprasad, chanting holy names, servicing Thakurji, but still nothing is happening, he said. Something is happening. You cannot say nothing is happening. We are putting tilak or not? So before coming in Krishna consciousness, you did not put tilak. You are chanting holy names. Maybe Namaparad, Namavas. But before coming in Krishna consciousness, you did not chant holy name, you did not put tilak marks. Now you are doing that, means this bhakti is going on this. But by the performing of bhajan and sadhan, Guru and Krishna, we will forget our bodily conception. Then we realize our transcendental sarup. That is called Siddha Deha Parichaya. Understand? Siddha Deha Parichaya. The identification of our Siddha Deha. What is the real perfection? This we realize. We have everything. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kabunai Sarvanadi Suddha Chitte Korha Uday. Uday means manifest. Just again and again listen Harikatha. Then heart will be neat and clean. Then Siddha Deha, transcendental body will manifest in our heart. This is the process. So, for this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed to us how to slowly develop, to forget our bodily conception. What Mahaprabhu is saying, Nahang Vipro Nacharana Pati न वैष्णव शूद्र न ग्रस्त वर्णी यथेदवा किंतु परमानंद पूर्ण मिताब्दे गोपी भर्तुर पद कमलोर दासानु दास. This mood is in it. Then with the association sadhu listen Hari Katha, then slowly our heart of lotus, lotus of heart, Hridaya Kamal, it will be blossom. Then we will realize about our Siddha Parichaya, as Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying. And देखते देखते भूलिब बा कबे निज स्थूल परिचय आरे नयने हेरिब ब्रजपुर शोभा नित्य चिदानंदमय नित्य चिदानंदमय. देखते 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 मीन्स what do you mean देखते
forming sadhana and bhajan slowly practicing.
I see. And this is the gross meaning, Sthula Vichar. Actual, what is the देखते mean? By the performing of Suddha Bhakti and practicing Shuddha Bhakti. Then by the causeless mercy of Srimati Radharani, Radha Kripavali, Ravi Baba Kavi, Nija Siddha Parichaya, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, by the causeless mercy of Srimati Radhika, then we realize our transcendental constitution form. That is called Siddha Deva Parichaya. Now our identity towards Sthul Sarir. We are giving this identification about our Sthul Sarir. Gross body?
Material identification.
Material identification, okay. We are man, we are a woman, and we are Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra. All kinds of, this is called designation. Our Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, Dekhe dekhe bhuli baba kar. How we will forget our this material bodily perception, Dhyatma Bhiman. Brajapura Sabha Nayana Heriva. Then we realize our transcendental constitutional form, Siddha Deva Parichaya. Then by the causeless mercy of Guru and Krishna, we will see the transcendental Nitya Chidanandamaya. This is the process of. But not so easy to give up bodily concepts. देहात में वन त्यागना बहुत कठिन. Not so easy to give up our bodily concepts. Why?
Millions of lifetimes.
Identification. Millions life. Same thing is going, rotation going. So many layers. Cover. Many kinds of liver covered in our subtle body and Atma Sarira also. This is going. Not this life also. Millions birth. These types of sanskar, impressions in our heart. But with the association with sadhu, all the layer of anarthas, it will be removed from our heart. Our heart will be neat and clean. As like Krishna. So this is the process. How to perform all kinds of material designation. So Prabhu Goswami path, then very topmost bhakti definition of bhakti, he explained. Anna vilasita sunnam ज्ञान कर्मदन वृतम अनुकूलेन कृष्णानुशीलनम भक्तिर उत्तम. Here you there anukulana कृष्णानुशीलन. Anukula means that those angas of bhakti and favorable we have to accept. This is very anukulana Krishna, and this bhakti should be applied only Krishna. You understand? Here Krishna means all the incarnation of Krishna. If you this bhakti, this servicial mode apply our mother, father, wife, children, this is bhakti or not? What do you think? You understand my question? Oh, yeah.
If we apply our activities to pleasing our family, members, society, then is this bhakti or not? We try to please society, family, and friends. Is it bhakti?
So bhakti should be
Only directed
only applied towards Sabsu
Krishna.
Krishna. Why are you saying the Krishna? Why not Vishnu? Because all these tattva, all the incarnation of Lord, Ram, Nisimha, Kalki, Varaha, they are all incarnation of expansion of Krishna. So they are all the incarnation, they are not different from Krishna. Only rasa vichar. We are looking. Krishna is the highest rasa. And Siddhanta Tattva Vedesu OP. According to the conception of the scriptures, and Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. Ram, Nisimha, Kalki, Varaha, all they are his incarnation, avatar. Yes. So when he used this word Krishna means our bhakti should be Vishnu Tattva. Yes. So actually I also explain this way. If you worship and Guru and Vaishnava, this is bhakti or not?
Yes.
You understand? But this is also bhakti. Because Guru and Vaishnava, they direct connected with Lord.
They are part of Vishnu Tattva.
They part
of Vishnu Tattva.
They are part of Bhagavat Tattva. What Bhagavat Tattva? Only that is called Asray Bhagavat Tattva. Krishna is called Vishay Bhagavat Tattva. This is the conception of Gauriya. Krishna is called the object of the divine love. Vishay Bhagavan. You understand? Krishna is called Vishay Bhagavan. Or except Krishna, everybody is called Asray Bhagavan. Both is Bhagavan. We are saying Bhagavan. Yes? But Asray Bhagavan and is called Vishay Bhagavan. Krishna is called Vishay Tattva. Yes? So you serve to Guru and Vaishnava, this is also bhakti. Because they are called Asray Bhagavan. Yes?
Ashray Bhagavan or Ashray Tattva?
Asray Tattva Bhagavan. Asray, Gurudev also saying that. Gurudev, he is non-different from Krishna. Hari. Saksad Hariteno Samasta Sastrai Ruktastata Bhataiva Sadhivi Kintu Prabhurja Priyavatasa Bande Gurasri Charana Revinda. Asray Jatya Bhagavan. Gurupad Bhagavan. Eh? So when you discuss about this Bhagavat, Bhagavan, Gurudev also is your Bhagavan. But who is Bhagavan? Asrayate Bhagavan. Eh? Or Krishna is called Vishay Bhagavan, object of the divine love. That is called Sarva Bhakta. He is the supreme angel. Except Krishna, everything you are enjoying. So for this was Bhaktivinoda Chaitanya Charitamrita. अकेला पुरुष कृष्ण आर्ष वृत्त जारे जइछे ना चाहे तइछे करे नित्य. Here अकेला पुरुष कृष्ण. Here पुरुष means supreme enjoyer. So Krishna is the supreme enjoyer. Even Srimati Radhika, she is called Ashray Tattva. Krishna is called Vishay Tattva. So Ashray Bhagavan and is called Vishay Bhagavan. Vishay Bhagavan Krishna. So Ashray Tattva and Vishay Tattva. But our aim and objective, we serve to Krishna, who is called the Vishay Bhagavan. Understand? Vishay Bhagavan. Krishna is called Vishay Bhagavan. Object of the divine love. As Srimati Radhika, she is called Ashray Tattva. So we will serve to Krishna under guidance of Ashray Tattva. So here this साक्षाधृतेन समस्त शास्त्रै रुक्तस्तथा भावतैव सद्भि किंतु प्रभोर्ज प्रियव तस्य वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंद. विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद गुरुवाष्टक. You have very clearly explained the Tattva Siddhanta. So always remember, one is called Ashray and is called Vishay. So now coming in this way, just I also explain the Sarvadhi Vinirmuktam Tatparittan Nirmalam Hisikeno Hisikeso Sevanam Bhaktiruchyate. But also another definition, Savi Pungsang Paru Dharma Jato Bhakti Adukhaje Ahitiki Apratiyata Jatma Samprasidati. What is so? Savi Pungsang Paru Dharma. Yes, Savi Pungsang. Pungsang means Purush, person.
Supreme person.
Yeah, Pungsang means Sanskrit word that is Purush. Male.
Yeah.
Why not saying this female?
Because we are only one Purush, Supreme Personality.
We are one Purush.
No, there is only one Purush.
There is one Purush.
All of
That is called Supreme Enjoyer. Except Krishna, everybody is servant. Akela Purush Krishna are sab Vritta. Vritta means servant. Even Srimati Radhika, she is servicing to Krishna. So here the Pungsang, why the use this word? Savi Pungsang Paro Dharma. Sanskrit word. Savi Pungsang Paro Dharma Jato Bhakti Aduskaje Ahituki Apriyata Jatma Samprasidati. Because here is the Baddha Jivas, conditional soul, they are spontaneous, their nature to enjoy the sense gratifications. So for this regard called the Purush. You understand? So male person, female person, everybody is also eh,
Enjoy.
they are thinking, I am
Enjoy.
supreme angel. So for the everybody have to practice the devotional service to Lord. So sabai pungsang paro dharma. By general Sanskrit words we are thinking, they are sabai pungsang. Pungsang means purush, male. So female they will not practice devotional service or not. But actually this word is using for the Baddha jivas. Conditional soul, spontaneous their nature. The mood of enjoy. Understand? Because this is the nature of conditional soul. Purush Abhiman. What is it?
Purush everyone.
Purush Abhiman. Body is male body or female body. This is not the subject. All we are, this is called Purush Abhiman coming. This thing. But when we will give up this Purush Abhiman, yeah, Purush Abhiman means
Thinking to be the enjoyer.
I am enjoyer. Our real identity to serve to Krishna. So when we give up these types of Abhiman, Abhimanam Paritajyam Prakito Vapuradisu. Give up this bodily conception. I am man, I am woman. When you realize I am not this body, I am not male, I am not female. So who am I? I am the eternal servant of Krishna. Jive Saruva Krishna Nitya. This is very important. First we have to realize about our identity. That is called the Krishna Sevak Abhiman. Then I am the eternal servant of Krishna. Krishna Sevak Abhiman. So saying the how read Abhimanam Paritajyam Prakito Vapuradisu. Yeah, but the material, our bodily conception. Then, but how will give up this material bodily conception? Dehatma Abhiman. Understand? How will give up your bodily material identifications. So further Rupa Goswami explained this. Adu Shraddha, Tatu Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti then Bhav. You understand? When sadhaka will come in the stage of Bhavadasa, then you realize his own transcendental constitution form. Then that is called Siddha Deva Parichaya. These things. This is the about this, all these anarthas will come going out from our heart, not at a time, step by step. Ekadashi Vartini, you know this word? Ekadashi Vartini, Bahudesha Vartini, Prayiki, Purna and Atantiki. At the stage of Shraddha and Sadhu Sangha, then one part of anartha removed from our heart. That is called Ekadesha Vartini. Don't forget it. Ekadashi Vartini. Then Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthi, Nishtha coming, then Bahudesha Vartini. Most part of anarthas removed from our heart. More than 60, 70, 80. Yeah? This percentage anarthas removed from our heart. So, एक दिन बहु दिस बोलते हैं प्रायिकी mean almost all anarthas removed from our heart. But how many percentage removed anarthas from our heart? Maybe 90 or 95, 96. Yeah? This percentage anarthas removed from our heart. Let's go praiki. Then that time sadhak is coming in the stage of asakti dasa. Then when sadhak will come in the stage of asakti dasa, then this percentage of anartha removed from your heart. Or purna. Purna means complete. Sadhak is completely free from all his anarthas. But you always remember this. Sadhak's main anartha is what? Bodily conception. Dhyatma viman. I am man, I am woman, I am American, I am Indian, I am Brazilian. Huh? This is very important. But when sadhak will come in the stage of asakti dasha, then that time almost all his anarthas removed from him. Almost, 95 or 98% anarthas removed. Maybe only how much? 1% or 2%.
Authentic state.
Then coming in say bhav dasa, in sadhuk will come the bhav dasa. When sadhuk will come bhav dasa, then purna. Purna means complete. All his anarthas removed from his heart. But here also Vishwanath Chakravarti Padi. Anarthas removed from his heart, but some smell of anarthas. Gandha. Understand? Just give an example. If you put the camphor in one box and sealed, then after a few days, if you remove all the camphor from the box, camphor is not in the box. Is it true or wrong? Because you remove. But still some smell coming from the camphor smell will come. In the same way, sadhak when will come in the stage of bhavadasa, highest mode. But still some smell of anarthas in his heart. So for this is called complete purna. Or no any smell of anarthas, nothing. And heart is neat and clean. And when sadhak will come in the stage of prema dasa, that is called atantiki. तो एकादशी वर्तिनी, बहुदिशी वर्तिनी, प्रायिका पूर्णा और आत्यंतिकी. Atantiki the stage, that is called prema dasa. When sadhak will come in the stage of prema, and that time there are no chance to return back the anarthas. But sadhak, a bhav dasa, some chance also. Why saying this? Because even sadhak will come in the stage of bhava dasa, there's some chance to fall down. But when sadhu will come in the stage of prema dasa, there are no chance of falling down. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki. First we understand this, they say how anartha is removed from our heart. Then we realize our constitutional form. Siddhati. So Bhakti Thakur Padike dekite bhuli baba kabe nija stula porichayo hare nayane heribo Brajapura Sobha Nitya Chidanandamaya. This is the process of. Here is just I will explain this word. Dekhite, dekhite. Dekhite, dekhite means by the performing of sadhana and bhajan. The general way dekhite means just watching. No, dekhite means this is the process of. Then with the association sadhu, sadhu sangha and listen Hari Katha, then solution on earth is removed from the heart. Full Premanand. Now what is the time now? 10 o'clock. Almost. Okay. Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Oh, Premanand. 2 days actually we did not sleep. Huh? Yesterday we arrived here late night, almost
This morning,
early in the morning. Day before we also
stayed
all night up.
all night from 1 a.m. till 6,
Six.
7, 8, 9, 9 o'clock. Because of the solar eclipse. No, not solar, lunar.
lunar eclipse, Chandragrahan. So tonight we did not completely
Take rest.
take that. Okay, so no problem. But traveling we also. Gaur Premanandi. So tonight will be 6 o'clock p.m. So no problem. Now a little bit take prasad and little bit take rest also. So for the year no midday program. And I like midday program also.
No, we did, bro. Not today.
Just resting.
Okay.
Recuperate.
Yeah. Are Hari Katha speaking? That is energy coming.
Yeah.
This is very important. And no Hari Katha, just eating and sleeping. Okay.
They say like a vegetable.
Yeah.
Like in English, they say like a cabbage.
Like a cabbage.
Like a vegetable.
Okay.
Cabbage consciousness.
Like this.
Jai.
Jai,
No preaching, no life.
no preaching, no life. Jai Ache Pran Sai. Jai Jai Sri Ram.